when hundreds of visitors become thousands in a matter of years, and each visitor is seeking to experience the same places, these natural areas will suffer severe impacts from overuse. Leave No Trace calls these areas hotspots. They are places that are being damaged, but can recover if visitors will treat these wildlands with care and respect. In 2018, the Escalante region was selected as one of 20 hotspots in the nation. 2 traveling trainers from the Leave No Trace program joined with local rangers from different land agencies. Together, they trekked to several popular recreational sites in the area. The trainers got to experience the land, learn about local issues, and saw the damage recreational use is having on these special places. The Hotspots program is a week-long effort that is tailor-made to educate visitors and people from the community. During the week, a series of focused workshops and roundtables were held at the Escalante Interagency office. Local outfitters and guides, agency employees, volunteers, interested public, and local retailers attended the training sessions. The trainers emphasized the importance of the Leave No Trace ethics and how agencies and local businesses can better deliver this message to visitors. They also focused on the Leave No Trace 7 principles. By following these ethics, visitors can minimize long-term impacts in this incredible region. First, plan ahead and prepare. Travel and camp on durable surfaces. Dispose of waste properly. Leave what you find. Minimize campfire impacts. Respect wildlife. Lastly, be considerate of other visitors. These 7 principles are the bedrock of the Leave No Trace program and are sound stewardship practices. The stakeholders and trainers discussed successes, challenges, and opportunities. As partners, they developed an action plan that will be long-lasting and tested for positive results. Optimally, we are the ones who determine if our actions will help heal this land. A region that can recover if only given the chance. Acting as one and following the 7 principles of Leave No Trace, we can help safeguard these canyons and forests for all to enjoy.